So for the next few minutes, forget the grammar rules completely.
No translating, no overthinking, just speak together with us.
Don't worry if your accent isn't perfect, and don't worry about mistakes either.
The goal is simple. Move your mouth, build the rhythm, and feel a little more natural every time.
First time through, just listen and repeat. Focus on the sound, not the meaning yet.
If you go through it a second time, think about the meaning too.
Today's topic, small talk at work. Quick, everyday chats with colleagues.
100 useful sentences. Let's start with something simple, starting a conversation. Let's go.
Good morning. Nice to see you.
Good morning. Nice to see you.
Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? Monday mornings are always hard. Monday mornings are always hard. Traffic was terrible today. Traffic was terrible today. I love fresh coffee in the morning. I love fresh coffee in the morning. The office feels quiet today. The office feels quiet today. I always forget people's names. I always forget people's names. Do you take the bus to work? Do you take the bus to work? I usually cycle when it's sunny. I usually cycle when it's sunny. New people start here often. New people start here often. I still get nervous meeting colleagues. I still get nervous meeting colleagues. It's nice to see a familiar face. It's nice to see a familiar face. I always arrive a little early. I always arrive a little early. Mornings are my favorite time. Mornings are my favorite time. Some people are naturally chatty. Some people are naturally chatty. I prefer a quiet start. I prefer a quiet start. Everyone here seems really friendly. Everyone here seems really friendly. Do you know many people here? Do you know many people here? I'm still learning everyone's names. I am still learning everyone's names. That takes time, honestly. That takes time, honestly. I like starting with small talk. I like starting with small talk. It makes the office feel warmer. It makes the office feel warmer. Small talk isn't always easy. Small talk isn't always easy. It gets easier with practice. It gets easier with practice. Let's get started then. Let's get started then.
Now, a quick coffee break and some casual chat.
Coffee breaks are the best part. Coffee breaks are the best part. This machine takes forever. This machine takes forever. I always add a little sugar. I always add a little sugar. Some people prefer tea instead. Some people prefer tea instead. I never used to like coffee. I never used to like coffee. Now I can't start without it. Now I can't start without it. Do you usually take milk? Do you usually take milk? I like mine completely black. I like mine completely black. Breaks are great for quick chats. Breaks are great for quick chats. I catch up on the news here. I catch up on the news here. Some people talk about the weekend.
Some people talk about the weekend.
Others always talk about work.
Others always talk about work.
I try to avoid work talk.
I try to avoid work talk.
Breaks should feel like a real break.
Breaks should feel like a real break. I usually check my phone quickly.
I usually check my phone quickly.
Some people just enjoy the silence. Some people just enjoy the silence.
I like a bit of both.
I like a bit of both.
10 minutes never feels like enough.
10 minutes never feels like enough.
It's still better than nothing.
It's still better than nothing.
I always feel more focused after.
I always feel more focused after.
Do you take breaks with the same people?
Do you take breaks with the same people?
I switch it up most days. I switch it up most days.
No faces make it interesting.
New faces make it interesting.
Familiar faces feel more relaxing.
Familiar faces feel more relaxing.
Either way, it's a nice pause. Either way, it's a nice pause.
Time to talk about your day.
My mornings are usually busy. My mornings are usually busy.
I always start with emails.
I always start with emails.
Meetings take up a lot of time.
Meetings take up a lot of time.
I prefer working in the morning.
I prefer working in the morning.
My energy drops after lunch. My energy drops after lunch.
Some days feel busier than others.
Some days feel busier than others.
I like a clear to-do list.
I like a clear to-do list.
Deadlines always sneak up on me.
Deadlines always sneak up on me.
I try not to multitask.
I try not to multitask.
Some tasks take longer than expected. Some tasks take longer than expected.
I enjoy quieter afternoons.
I enjoy quieter afternoons. Fridays always feel a bit lighter. Fridays always feel a bit lighter. I plan my week on Mondays. I plan my week on Mondays.
Unexpected tasks throw off my day. Unexpected tasks throw off my day. I try to stay flexible, though.
I try to stay flexible, though.
Lunch breaks help me reset.
Lunch breaks help me reset.
I rarely eat at my desk now. I rarely eat at my desk now.
Fresh air helps more than people think.
Fresh air helps more than people think.
Short walks clear my head quickly. Short walks clear my head quickly.
I try to leave work on time. I try to leave work on time.
That doesn't always happen, honestly.
That doesn't always happen, honestly.
Some days just run long.
Some days just run long.
I don't mind it occasionally. I don't mind it occasionally.
Balance matters more some weeks.
Balance matters more some weeks. Every day looks a little different. Every day looks a little different.
And finally, wrapping up and saying goodbye.
I always tidy my desk first.
I always tidy my desk first. It helps me start fresh tomorrow.
It helps me start fresh tomorrow.
Saying goodbye properly matters to me.
Saying goodbye properly matters to me.
A quick goodbye is usually enough.
A quick goodbye is usually enough.
I like ending on good terms.
I like ending on good terms.
Some people leave without saying anything.
Some people leave without saying anything. I always find that a little odd.
I always find that a little odd.
Weekends feel earned after a busy week.
Weekends feel earned after a busy week.
I usually leave later on Fridays.
I usually leave later on Fridays.
Mondays always come around too quickly. Mondays always come around too quickly.
I try not to think about that yet.
I try not to think about that yet. Packing up slowly helps me relax. Packing up slowly helps me relax. I like a calm end to the day. I like a calm end to the day. Rushed goodbyes feel a bit unfinished. Rushed goodbyes feel a bit unfinished. I always say thank you first. I always say thank you first. Small gestures like that matter. Small gestures like that matter.
I enjoy quiet offices in the evening.
I enjoy quiet offices in the evening.
Everyone seems more relaxed by then.
Everyone seems more relaxed by then. I usually walk out with a colleague. I usually walk out with a colleague. Chatting on the way out is nice. Chatting on the way out is nice. It's a nice way to end the day. It's a nice way to end the day. I always look forward to tomorrow. I always look forward to tomorrow. New days bring new conversations. New days bring new conversations.
That's part of what I enjoy here.
That's part of what I enjoy here. See you all tomorrow then. See y'all tomorrow then.
All right, take a breath. You made it all the way through.
And hopefully some of these sentences already feel a little easier to say.
That's what we're looking for. Not perfect English, just a little more confidence every time you speak.
If you practice with us today, tell us in the comments, I spoke today.
We'd love to know you were here.
And if you enjoyed practicing with us, leave a like and subscribe. It helps us make more practice like this for you.
Thanks for practicing with us.
See you in the next one, English Adventurers.